What's up, fam? So about to go look at the house and see what they got going on in there. One of my guys is coming. It's the guy to help me through the project. One of the main things, man, when you're doing anything, man, get a mentor. Get somebody that's been through what you've been through or what you're trying to go through and get their advice and opinion. So I'd rather do anything without a mentor. I'm always getting a mentor. Yeah, I don't think I'd be as successful as I am without mentors. You feel me? So make sure y'all get a mentor, man. Yeah.
Baseboards, trim, doors, all that shit out. Get that out. Then all these interior doors gone. Baseboards, trim, gone. And then they gonna have to cut this out. Cause they gonna put the door rock in place of this.
Okay.
So it's gonna go in place of that. So when you put they can put the towel can go up against that door rock. So right now, you wanna make sure that the walls, these two walls. Cause your demo, you basically, the point of the demo, you getting everything out the way so your floor plan can be built, right? So then they can start building on your floor plan. So in this demo process, you want this door to be gone, you want that door to be gone, so once all the demo done, now you can start building out your house.
Yep.
So that door gone, flooring gone, I mean not flooring, flooring is good. You're gonna put the new LVP on top of that.
Yep.
So we're gonna paint before we do that. But right now, just getting that trim out. Trim, baseboards, walls, and doors. That's where you at right now. And then I'm gonna have the electrician come, and he gonna put up the lights.
Okay.
The what's the name? I'm gonna see if I can get him over here this week so he can get a bid.
I'm about to go to Atlanta too, so even if next week.
Yeah. Oh, you want next week?
Yeah,
When?
I'm gonna go to Atlanta tonight.
Oh, tonight? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool, but it's a lockbox or something? How they get in? You come in?
They got a key.
Okay, all right, that's cool. You got another key?
Yep.
Okay, you got a lockbox?
I don't think so.
Okay. You can
But I can give you a key though.
Yeah.
I can give you a key. Just in
Yeah,
case you need to pop in.
I'm not here or you got somebody coming here that can get in and just give them a code and put it right there on the doorknob.
Yeah.
But yeah, get the electrician over here.
Yeah.
You ain't really gotta mess with this. I mean, that could be just some lights.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see, that's what they're doing right now, getting the baseboards out. So baseboards, trim, all that.
And then you got to pay to put new ones in there or something.
Yeah, yeah. So you gonna pay them to put the baseboards up, the trim, which I think that was included in your scope of work that they sent over.
Okay.
Yeah, so you should be good with that.
Bro, I want to hang a swing from right here, bro.
Oh, that shit, we can do that shit.
Like, I want to put a swing, bro.
Yeah.
We went to look at this other property, bro. Like, if this can be real clean and kind of like real.
That could be a fly idea, honestly.
Yeah.
That could be a fly idea. And you could put, electrician can put can lights out here too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So when they kicking it out at night, they can have a little vibe on the porch. You know? Yeah. What the fuck happened right here?
Bro, I don't know what they was on, bro. I'm trying to buy the house, though.
I was just about to say, bro, that's really the move is really figure out how that one.
Yeah, I already put in a bid for the other one. So just so y'all can know, I already put in a bid for the second.
Here.
Yeah, that's the house right there.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that's not a bad idea.
So as I told you, I'm trying to buy this house right here, but I also put in I put in a bid yesterday for this house right here. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Make sure that it's a good, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's a good thing. I like the inside, got good bones. It really just need a good painting. What about this roof? You see this roof up here, bro? Like I was like if we look from the front, the roof look a little bit funny. So I was wondering what your opinion was. It's like a little bit slanted a little bit, it feel like.
That's the roof line, so I don't know. You probably really won't be able to tell until you start ripping out that ceiling and see how because it studs your roof line holding that roof up, the weight and all that. So it just depends how they got it framed up in there.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's just from like, it's coming in from just like being old and it's just falling down, or if that's actually how they got it framed up in there.
Yeah.
But I mean, the thing about it, this house isn't as bad as that house when you bought it.
Yep.
So you could pay a little more for it because you're doing less work than you would do over here. But the question would be, are you doing $20,000 less work here? So you're paying $120. You see, it's that difference. If you're only doing the $10,000 difference in price, then you want to get that for $110. You know what I'm saying? Your renovation costs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would definitely change. Just tell me, yo, I just bought this one. I'm paying $100. Come on, work with me.
Yeah.
Just still go back with it. Hey, they want to sell this house. And with this house being burnt, they ain't gonna have a lot of people trying to buy it.
Yeah.
You know, so definitely try to negotiate with them.
And this house is in a trust. So this how would we go about getting this house if it's in a trust?
Shit, man, it's hard to find somebody in the trust. If they got that shit right there in the trust, they some bad motherfuckers. It's hard to get people in the trust. Man, shit, when this happened?
It had to happen like 2-3 weeks ago, bro. It had to happen after we closed on the house.
Damn.
Yeah. So, but even if they in the trust, are they gonna fix it, or like how? If they sell it, they gonna put the sale for sale sign out?
Yeah,
Like what?
Them type of people in the trust, they probably gonna have a realtor try to sell it, unless they know somebody who just want it, you know.
So just keep a lookout for the for sale sign.
You know the address on this house?
Yep.
Just text me the address. I can definitely try to find their ass.
Okay. Bet.
I could definitely try to find their ass. Cause you just look. If they didn't buy it in the trust, and let's say they bought it in their name and then switched it over to a trust, then I can find them like who had the transfer ownership prior to.
Yeah.
But if they bought it out the gate through the trust, then it'd be hard to kind of find them.
Yeah.
Or honestly, I could definitely find them. Just send me the address because they mailing address probably not going here.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to their actual where they live at, and I can see who own that house. And that person 9 times out of 10 own the trust.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you can get this, that'd be nice.
So what would you say the next steps is on this project? So they doing a trim, they gonna knock out the window. When do they put the windows in? When do they put the siding up?
They gonna put the windows in as they doing the demo. So by the time they done with the demo, windows should be in. What you should get also is your exterior doors.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So I think he got some tape measure and then measure out. Measure these doors and then look for some doors you can get. Hey bro, you got tape measure? You know the size of the door? Your size? Thank you, bro. I think it's this 36. So you gonna need like a 36 for the front door. I'm gonna do a back door back here.
And what benefit is getting a new door? What do I add?
You got pretty much a new crib, so I would get a new door. They're not expensive.
Yeah.
Like, it's not breaking no bank to get them. It changes out. It just adds that new
feel.
Yeah, like it just makes like this shit look like when we was kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just switch it up, and it's gonna be part. And your back door is a 29 and a half. So this one 29 and a half, and that one 35 and a half.
Okay.
So.
And
Good to see you, bro.
All right, later, man.
That's my dude. He did all my projects.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, him. Yeah, funny as hell. He like I grab them Modelo's, get them a case of beer and shit. They have to go to work. For real. Yeah, go to work. But yeah, so just finishing this stuff is right now the focus. Getting all that shit demoed, getting your windows, exterior doors in. And then when you get done with that, you can prepare by getting your trim, your baseboards, interior doors. So when that shit done, they can go back, put that shit in. And we're gonna have a simultaneous electrician putting his lights in.
Yeah.
But I can take you so you have a clear picture of it, and then that's what we're gonna do. And then this shit we can do in the meantime while they doing that shit and just paint this shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can paint that shit. Just go to Sharon Williams and get that corporate account so you can save on your paint.
Yeah.
Because you're probably gonna need about 10, 15 gallons worth of paint to paint the front of the crib.
And what color you think?
Man, any color really, bro. It's really your preference, honestly. You can't really go wrong. Like they got blue, gray, you know what I'm saying? Really anything.
Yeah. What about, how do you feel about painting it, like repainting it white?
What are you gonna repaint it white? Yeah.
Because I was thinking, That'll keep it simple. And then if you repaint it in white, but I do like green too, but whatever. But if you repaint it in white, but then these bricks painted to look like the roof. That color of the roof.
The gray?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it gray? Yeah.
It's like a gray as
Yeah.
yeah.
That's not a bad idea.
So y'all heard what bro said, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to his video, man. Again, I'm always with somebody. I'm always taking advice from people, man, getting mentors, whatever the case may be, bro. And yeah. Make sure y'all tap into that $20 mentorship, man. That $20 membership. Link is in the description box down below, man. I'll teach you everything that I've learned, that I'm learning for only $20. And on here, man, y'all getting free game. So man, I'm grateful that y'all tapped in. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Peace.